Hey there. Let me quickly explain how this powerful little system works and why it's so effective for making sales with affiliate products or your own launches. The moment someone clicks the button, whether it's on your website or inside your email, something special happens. They're instantly shown an offer you're promoting. This could be an affiliate product you believe in or one of your own digital products. But here's the game changer. They only get one shot. Once they click that button, that's it. That specific offer is shown only once for them. After that, it disappears forever. You tell them right inside the email. This button will show you an exclusive offer, but only once. After that, it's gone. That urgency and scarcity creates serious action. No second chances, no going back. But there's more. This system uses a special rotator behind the scenes. That means each person gets their own affiliate link or the offer you've assigned, but only once, tied to a smart tracking code. Even cooler? You can place a timer code on your website, so visitors have exactly 24 hours to click that button. If they ignore it or come back late, the offer's gone. Just like you said. You're building trust, you're creating FOMO, you're getting clicks, and you're making sales automatically. Now imagine what happens when 10, 50, or 500 people click that same button, but each gets a unique, time-sensitive experience. It's personal, it's powerful, and it's fully automated. Would you like the actual code snippet for the 24-hour timer button? Or the rotating one-time affiliate link system too?